Very nice. Very, very nice. The Niagara Waterfall in Montenegro, not in New York, America. Just gotta climb up because it's deathly rocks. A few people here today. Didn't really plan on making a whole mission of coming out here. Just sort of was cruising on past and thought, yeah, why not? Wow, it's awesome. There's lots of mist, spray and mist coming up from the Niagara Waterfall. Beautiful. Alright, let's bloody jump. Who knows? Oh, this is a jump, this one. Oh, made it. Now where are we going? It's definitely getting busy. But super nice. Interesting, the rocks. Up here. And there it is. Beautiful Niagara Waterfall, Montenegro. Not far outside of Podgorica, capital city. Alright, that's it, bye.